Hey pharmacy grads, if you can answer this question, this means that you're very close to working in countries like Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada. Can you answer this question? Let's begin. And the question is, a customer asks for a recommendation of a cough syrup. Which ingredient would you counsel them for a potential drowsiness? And your options are option A, Dextromethorphan, option B, Guaifenesin, option C, Pseudoephedrine, and option D, Paracetamol. If you know the right answer, mention your answer in the comments and our team will pin the right answer. Found this video informational? Like this video, share this video with all your smart pharmacy friends and check their knowledge.